Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on this sign on how you can do that on your Waze app. So all you have to do is to just go up here, you click here in this sign here in app. So then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings here. So and you come here to next step, then you just come here in this list and you just go down here, you click here on reminders here. So and you come here to next step, then all you have to do now, so you just click here on child reminder here, and you come here to show child reminder, you click here in this sign, then it's going to show for us list. So this color here show for us, and here can you add custom message, and you click here on save. So when you add here your custom message, like so I'm just going to add this, for example, if you click here on save, then it's going to add with you. Thank you for watching, don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.